Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your avatar on Instagram, how you can add effects to it. So I'm just going to slide this to the left and I'm going to add a photo of something. I'm just going to add a picture of food for some reasons. Then I'm going to select stickers, which is up here. Then I'm going to select avatar. And I'm going to select this one, for instance. And as you can see, there's a tap for more sign. So for instance, I want the avatar to be black and white. Just tap on it, tap on the sticker here, and it will turn black and white. I don't know what this is, but they also have a blurry one as well. And you can kind of add even more if you'd like to. Here, the blurry one. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!